A modern vehicle enters the service bay, exhibiting intermittent power loss. No dashboard warning lights illuminate. The traditional diagnostic scanner, plugged into the OBD-II port, reports no fault codes. Mechanically, every component appears sound. Yet, the vehicle remains unpredictable, leaving the technician without a clear path forward. This scenario highlights a fundamental shift in automotive engineering. For decades, a vehicle's health was primarily assessed through mechanical inspection and a limited set of electronic codes. Engine performance, transmission function, braking systems, all were largely physical entities with clear, definable failure points. The diagnostics involved isolating a faulty component or system using established testing procedures and specific fault codes, akin to reading a straightforward error message. Today, this paradigm is obsolete. Contemporary vehicles integrate thousands of microcontrollers executing millions of lines of code. Functions previously managed by mechanical linkages or hydraulic lines are now orchestrated by software. The internal combustion engine, once a purely mechanical marvel, is now a complex interplay of sensors, actuators, and control algorithms, often sharing processing power with infotainment and advanced driver assistance systems. This transition has made the car a distributed computing network, not merely a collection of interconnected parts. Engine timing, fuel injection, suspension damping, even steering feel, all are extensively software-defined. This allows for unparalleled precision, adaptability, and the integration of features like over-the-air updates, but it simultaneously obscures the root cause of many malfunctions, moving them from tangible hardware to elusive software logic. The challenge is that traditional diagnostics, relying on explicit fault codes, were designed for a less integrated, less software-dependent architecture. When a system functions intermittently, or when an error arises from a complex interaction between multiple software modules, a simple fault code often does not exist. The system may not recognize an anomaly as a fault within its predefined parameters, even as performance degrades. This necessitates an invisible diagnostics approach. Instead of waiting for a system to fail and generate a code, this methodology focuses on continuous, proactive monitoring of operational parameters. It involves analyzing streams of telemetry data, not just static error messages, to detect subtle deviations from normal behavior patterns, even if those deviations do not yet trigger a conventional fault code. Modern vehicles generate terabytes of data over their lifespan. This data includes sensor readings from every subsystem, network traffic between electronic control units, and performance metrics from various software applications. Sifting through this volume manually is impossible. The solution lies in advanced analytical tools and machine learning algorithms that can process these vast datasets. These algorithms establish baselines of normal vehicle operation under diverse conditions. They learn the intricate relationships between various sensor inputs and system outputs. When a deviation occurs, perhaps a slightly longer ignition delay, a subtle change in turbocharger response, or an atypical voltage fluctuation, the system can flag it as an anomaly, even without a specific error code being triggered. This allows for predictive maintenance. Consider a sensor that periodically reports values slightly outside its typical operating range, but still within the broad tolerance for a healthy state. Traditional diagnostics would ignore this. Invisible diagnostics, however, might identify a pattern of increasing deviation over time, predicting an imminent failure of that sensor or the component it monitors. This shifts repair from reactive to proactive, preventing breakdowns. The complexity extends to interconnected vehicle networks. A fault in one software module, perhaps related to communication protocols or data processing, can cascade effects across seemingly unrelated systems. Diagnosing such an issue requires understanding the entire network topology and the dependencies between modules, rather than isolating a single component. Over-the-air updates further complicate the diagnostic landscape. Software revisions can introduce new features, but also new bugs or compatibility issues. Diagnosing a post-update problem requires correlating vehicle behavior with specific software versions and tracking changes in code, an entirely different skill set from mechanical troubleshooting. This shift demands a new breed of automotive technician. Expertise in mechanics and electronics remains critical, but it must be augmented with proficiency in software architecture, network diagnostics, and data analysis. Technicians are increasingly expected to interpret complex data visualizations, understand programming logic, and effectively use advanced diagnostic software suites. Proprietary software and locked vehicle architectures present another significant hurdle. Automotive manufacturers often maintain exclusive control over their diagnostic tools and data, limiting the ability of independent repair shops to effectively service modern vehicles. This can lead to increased repair costs and restricted consumer choice, impacting the entire aftermarket. The economic implications are substantial. Early detection of issues through invisible diagnostics can reduce costly component failures and minimize vehicle downtime. However, the investment in sophisticated diagnostic tools, training, and data infrastructure is also significant, creating new economic dynamics for service providers and vehicle owners. Ultimately, the future of automotive repair is inextricably linked to software. The vehicle is evolving into a mobile data center, and understanding its health requires looking beyond physical components to the invisible world of code and data. This shift represents a profound redefinition of vehicle diagnostics, moving from simple error reporting to complex, predictive algorithmic analysis.